Hello everybody, welcome to Adara Unboxed. I'm Adara, I unbox things, and in today's video we're going to be checking out some beauty products from Well People. Alright, it is time for another Influencer beauty review. Influencer and Well People have been so kind as to send me this box full of goodies to put on my face, make me look beautiful and refreshed. I didn't pay anything for this. It was sent to me in exchange for my review. I have to post some reviews online, but I thought that if I'm gonna open it and check out this stuff, I might as well do it with you here, now, in video format. I'm not familiar with this brand, but apparently Well People is sold at stores like Target and Ulta and Macy's. And from what Influencer told me, the contents inside this box are worth around $100 altogether, so I feel very privileged to get this. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of full-size products, which I will go through and try on my face so we can see what they're really like. I'm gonna start with the one that I would normally start with, which I think is a serum. Okay, first up, this is the Well People Pore Detox Refining Niacinamide Serum. This is a pump bottle, and you're supposed to put 1 to 2 pumps on your clean, dry skin and follow it up with your moisturizer. It doesn't have much of a scent. I think it's completely unscented, but you can smell like a little bit of the chemicals right at the beginning, right when you put it on. It feels dewy and gel-like. Did it work? Am I more beautiful now? I'm gonna let it dry for just a second. It feels not bad, but it does feel like there's something on my face, but I think it just needs to soak in. Yeah, not bad. Feels nice, feels smooth. I like it. Next up, this is the Fresh Dew Snow Mushroom Gel Cream Moisturizer. You can use this morning and night after cleansing for a plumper, renewed looking complexion. Smells weird. I don't like the smell. It'll go away. I can tell these products, I'm fairly certain, are unscented, so the smell dissipates after like a few seconds, but it does smell like weird. It smells kind of weird. I don't know how to describe it. I guess plasticky. The texture is really nice. It is definitely a gel moisturizer. It feels nice and thin, not too wet. I mean, it's definitely thinner than a cream moisturizer. But it does feel like it's leaving like a layer of moisture on my face. I think it's making me a little oily. Again, I'm just like impatient. I think I just need to wait a minute for it to soak in and it will be lovely. But it feels a little textury, or like, feels like there's a little leftover goo that's not soaking in as quickly as I would like it to. But it's not bad. It doesn't feel heavy. I don't really feel like I have anything on my face. Seems okay. It seems okay. I don't really know what snow mushroom does, but maybe it plumps you up like a mushroom. Next up, BioTint SPF 30 Tinted Moisturizer. I don't know that you would need to use a moisturizer under this moisturizer because it's also a moisturizer, but this is tinted. They've sent it to me in the color 5N. The tinted moisturizer provides makeup, skincare, and sun protection in one step. Blend it into your skin using your fingers or a complexion brush, and you're kind of done. I hope it's my color. I think it is. Usually tinted moisturizers are so like thin in color that they'll blend in with whatever face type you have. I feel like I put too much. I feel like I could have definitely used less. Well, I don't know, maybe. This is kind of thick. And by a little, I mean a lot. It's pretty thick. Yeah, it's not bad. It's like a very minimal amount of coverage, but honestly, I like that. I don't usually use foundation unless I have to for work, so I prefer something that's like not too heavy. I think this color is not quite my color. I think it's a little bit yellow for me, but I don't know. I can't tell on camera, so I probably look cute to you guys. I do think it looks kind of shiny. I don't want to look dry either, but like I don't like looking like I'm constantly sweating when I'm not. It's not horrible though. It does feel not like super tacky, but Like, it does feel like there's stuff on my face. Okay, they've also sent me a few makeup-y items, although this was makeup, but you know what I mean. This is the Well People Expressionist Pro Mascara. It's supposed to nourish and separate your lashes, giving you definition and length. Yes, please. I like this brush. It's like a plastic silicone. Is that what these are called? The little bits coming off of the brush. It already hasn't come out clumpy, so I'm into that. Okay, and like one thing I always like to warn people about, because like all mascaras look good on me because I have long lashes. So like don't think that this mascara is gonna make your lashes look super long like this, because like mine are already long. Sorry, that's a flex. I just want to be real, because a lot of times people are like, oh my gosh, what mascara do you wear? I need that. Your lashes are so long. And I'm like, my lashes are long even without mascara. So like, don't hold a mascara to that, because that's just my lashes. But y'all, I'm liking this one. I feel like it has really like separated my lashes. Like they're not clumping, so it's not adding too much mascara to each individual lash or like making them stick together. And it's given me like a decent amount of length. They look really natural. Heightened natural is what I would call this look. And that is usually what I'm looking for in a mascara. Because my lashes are so long, I don't want to draw a lot of attention to them. I feel like you can really tell when I wear a mascara that's not very good quality, because it shows. It really shows. And with this, I mean, that looks pretty clean to me. Yeah, I like it. That is a good mascara. I like this mascara. I would get this mascara again for sure. Last product. This is the Well People Lip Nurture Hydrating Balm in the color Black Cherry. It's supposed to nourish like a lip mask, soften your lips, deliver lasting moisture, and a sheer wash of color. This is interesting. It's just like a little plasticky tubey. It's like soft. Oh, it's hard to come out. Look how hard I'm squeezing and nothing's happening. Is it broken? It does not want to come out. It's almost like the bit at the top is hardened or something. Oh, here it comes. Okay, it's definitely a different consistency. It's like super thick. Is it supposed to be this thick? This does not seem like a gloss. I can hardly squeeze it out. It's like I'm squeezing like solid lipstick out of this little tube. Something has gone wrong here for sure. Maybe just the bit at the top got hard. Hold on. I'm confused. Is it supposed to be like chapstick, but it's in like a lip gloss tube? Because that's the consistency, is like a waxy chapstick, but like you have to squeeze it out of this tiny hole to use it. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, y'all, I can't tell if I just got one that's messed up or if this is what it is. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't know how to use it. I don't like the texture. Well, I do like the texture. Once it's on, it's a little tiny bit minty, and it's really soft and smooth. It's not sticky at all. And honestly, the color's not bad. It looks kind of good on. I mean, it does not look crazy dark purple like I was scared it would. It almost feels like the kind of thing where you're supposed to just squeeze out a tiny bit, get it on there, and then work it in with a tool, a utensil of some sort. It doesn't seem like a kind of thing that you squeeze out and like blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's kind of what I did and it worked. I don't know. I don't think I would ever get this again. But I guess, let's see how it wears. Okay, that's the whole shebang. Not a bad influencer haul. Honestly, all of these products seem pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. I definitely will be using this mascara. I love this mascara. This is a good mascara. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll leave a link down below to Influenster if you want to get signed up and maybe get free products. It's not only beauty products, it's all kinds of products sent directly to you so that you can try them out and review them for yourself. And I'll also leave a link to Well People so you can check out their products on their website if you want, and then maybe find them at a local store near you. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you skedaddle out of here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.